Rolling walkers are an excellent choice for those who require extra support and stability while navigating the outdoors. There are many products available to choose rolling walkers for outdoor, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best rolling walkers for outdoor from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Oasis Space Rollator Walker. The Oasis Space Pneumatic Rubber Rollator Walker with Seat is a perfect choice for people who need a mobility aid but still spend a lot of time outdoors. It features 12-inch front pneumatic rubber tires and 10 rear tires, enable safe and comfortable movement on all surfaces. The walker has a compact design which allows you to walk in narrow places, and it can be easily folded and taken anywhere. The height of the handles is adjustable, and the pressure of the pneumatic wheels can be easily adjusted. It also has locking hand brakes which are easy to use and comfortable on the hands. Number 2. Halevo All-Terrain Walker. The Halevo Foldable All-Terrain Walker with Seat is designed for seniors who still spend a lot of time outdoors. With large 12-inch pneumatic rubber tires, this walker is perfect for all surfaces. It is lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry. The height-adjustable handles and adjustable pressure of the wheels ensure a comfortable ride. It also has an integrated cane holder, ergonomic handles, and an easy-to-use braking system. With a maximum load capacity of 300 pounds, this rollator meets the highest quality and safety standards. Number 3. Elenker All-Terrain Rollator Walker with Seat. Elenker All-Terrain Walker is a compact folding rollator walker designed for seniors and outdoor use. With its 10-inch solid polyurethane flat-free tires, this walker provides excellent maneuverability on various terrains such as grass, gravel, dirt, and sidewalks. The dual braking system offers better control for braking and sitting, ensuring the user's safety. The walker also features a zipper storage bag, cane holder, and cup holder, providing convenience and keeping important items within reach. With its quality assurance and friendly customer service, Elenker All-Terrain Walker is a reliable choice for seniors who want to maintain their mobility and independence. Number 4. Zlur Foldable Rollator Walker. The Zlur Rollator Walker is a versatile and convenient mobility aid for seniors. With its leak-proof all-terrain tires, this walker can easily navigate over various surfaces, including grass, dirt, and cracked sidewalks. The adjustable design allows users to customize the height of the walker and the backrest for maximum comfort. Additionally, the compact size of the Zlur walker makes it easy to maneuver through doorways and narrow walkways. The wider seat and thickened backrest provide a comfortable experience, while the safe and stable construction ensures stability and control. Overall, the Zlur Rollator Walker is a reliable and user-friendly mobility aid for seniors. Number 5. Drive Medical 10257BL 4-Wheel Rollator Walker with Seat. Drive Medical Rollator Walker is a stylish, stable, and strong walker designed for seniors and adults who seek stability. The rollator features a durable and supportive frame, a comfortable seat, and an under-seat storage pouch. It has 4 7.5-inch caster wheels that provide a stable roll and a handbrake that can be pressed or pushed down to lock the walker with wheels into place. The easy turn lever allows you to adjust the height of the handles from 31 to 35 inches, and the removable hinged backrest can be folded up or down. It is a portable rollator with a side-to-side folding design that allows you to fold it with one hand and maintain a standing position.
That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.